Honey? No way, Corinna.
I like the way it sounds. It makes me horny.
Oh god.
How much bets do you want to do?
Just do like 5.
Alright, I'll do 10. Oh, it makes me just...
Oh wow.
Yes, baby. Casey, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I feel it. I feel the machine. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at
Cam
that.
Stimpson
You know
just
what I'm saying?
subscribed.
That's a drone
Hi,
colony
BB.
for us, BB. Which means it goes all the way down there where we get a wild, which means we need we're one off of the next round.
Yeah, $15.
Don't worry. It's gonna pay. It's gonna
When?
pay.
When is this thing gonna pay?
It already paid me. Remember that one time it paid me?
Yes, I know. You haven't got paid cents.
Oh, diamonds!
Oh wow. Wow. Real good. Imagine if that kept going though.
I know. Why didn't it keep going?
Big fucking balls.
Oh, it's fucked up. Okay, okay.
I mean, you gotta be kidding me! Lick my fucking testicles!
You don't
God
have
damn!
testicles.
You actually said my balls are very big.
They're lengthy. They
Lengthy.
sag really, really low.
Linking girth.
We hit it. We hit it.
But
We
now
hit
you need
it.
a lot. Silvers need a lot.
Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna get this. Times 2? Okay, we need 5 more. We need 5 more. We hit it. 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 Okay. This it could keep paying. Okay, we still get a drone colony after this. So we're really looking good right now. So we're gonna get a drone colony right here, and we're gonna get another wild. Okay. Ooh, we got another one. We got another one. I got another one. I got another one. Okay.
Oh
And now
my
we'll get
god,
another
you
drone
need so
colony.
much. You need so much.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And we got another times 3. So if they go together, like we're in it. We're in it to win it. I think we're in it. I think we'll make it. I think we'll make it.
Yes! 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 Holy shit!
I'm telling
These
you.
bitches are going crazy! Oh shit! Oh shit! It's going crazy!
You believe me?
Oh my god! Oh my god! You gotta be jawsing me! Oh my god! It's Magundy, boys! You gotta be joshing me! Oh my god! Diamonds! Oh my god! Queen Coney on silvers! On silvers! Queen on silvers! Oh! Oh! 27 grand! Oh my god! Oh my god! And you didn't say that the big AC wasn't gonna make 20K! Oh my god! Happy dad in chat! What the fuck? Oh, boys!
Fuck!
Holy moly!
I told you! It
You
was
did.
right.
You
I
did.
had a feeling!
Holy
Ultra
smokes.
big win, like my ultra big dick.
Oh god!
I'm
win.
such a nuts, you
Oh
better
my
make
god!
Go, go, go.
32 grand! Holy smokes! Holy... Father said no fucking way. Oh shoot! That's the biggest swap win you've ever had. With your own money. Actual money. Holy moly!
Why do you
Cheers.
say that like I've never played with my own money before?
Huh?
With your own money. It's always been my own money. When has it not been my own
No,
money?
you're right. You're right.
Why'd you say it like that?
Well, I'm just happy.
I was
Holy
here. Double.
smokes, dude! 32 G's?
Oh my...
That's insane.
Dude! What? I don't even look at my balance, dude.
I know. That's why I said
Flight to
told you.
Vegas.
Dude, it was
right
just like
now.
you were stroking it, it just came everywhere.
I know, it was
All
insane.
over the screen, dude.
They just stayed together, and then silvers hit. Holy smokes, dude.
You know, we just gotta. We're gonna run this down to 33, and we're just just because I feel like we deserve to give it back to them. You know.
Let's go,
Let's
baby.
go,
Yo.
baby.
Imagine if it's insane again. Just imagine.
Diamonds.
Xana 420 just subscribed.
Drone collie.
Let's go. Free OF giveaway now.
Imagine.
Oh my god.
Dude, it could be. It's gonna go again. We have another star
I know.
that we're waiting on. Dude. I love
WTF was that, bruh?
They're not together though. No!
I was gonna lose it, dude.
No way, bro. Diamonds too, bro.